2014 Acadia. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, rear spoiler, power rear liftgate, power mirrors, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, ventilated front disc brakes, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. Inside you'll find backup camera, rear view camera, Bluetooth, rear AC, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, climate control automatic, steering wheel audio controls, Bose sound system. Come take a test drive today.